Hey there, this is Corey from Our Voice USA, and this is a demo of our newest product called HelloVoter. Be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to be alerted to future videos. If you aren't already familiar with our mobile app, check it out on our other videos on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the new Connect to Server feature and how it ties into the application called HelloVoter. It's still in alpha development, but has a lot of functionality that's usable today. Here it asks for the server name, but before we continue, let's enter the server name into a web browser. I'm entering walk.coremander.com, a personal server of mine, to demonstrate that when you set up HelloVoter, the data is yours and does not get sent to Our Voice USA. Here we see that my personal server redirected me to the HelloVoter app with the server name pre-filled, and now I just need to check the box indicating we understand that this system is not affiliated with Our Voice USA. When you set up your own HelloVoter, you will set up your own private server and enter that here. Instructions on how to do that will be made in the future. It's asking me to sign in with Google. Other social media sign-ins will soon be supported. I have 2 Google accounts. Let me pick the first one. Now we're logged into HelloVoter, and you can see at the top left that I'm talking to my private server, walk.coremander.com. The dashboard is empty because I'm not an admin. Here, let me change that real fast. This is Neo4j, the database used by HelloVoter, and I'm granting admin access to the account I just logged in with. Now let me hit refresh on the dashboard, and now we see data that the admins get. On the canvassers page, we see that there's nobody else but me, and the crown icon on the right indicates admin privileges. Going back to the mobile app, I'll enter the same server and hit connect. It asks me to log in, and I'll sign in with my other Google account. And there it says I'm awaiting assignment. Let me refresh the canvassers. And there I am, a regular canvasser who can't see anything yet because he's not assigned to any teams. So let's do that now. Let's create the A team and assign myself to it. But we haven't created a turf or form yet, which is required for canvassing, so let's do that now. Let's say we're canvassing in Utah House District 24. There's 3 ways to generate turf. Select from legislative boundary, area surrounding an address, and manually draw it with your mouse. The bottom 2 aren't implemented yet, so let's proceed with the first one. For state, we search for Utah. District type is the state house, which loads the district info, and select 24. We can click to view the turf, but for now it doesn't render the shape here. But if you ever wondered what lines on a map look like to a computer, well, here it is, a series of numbers and brackets and commas. Now let's create a form called Get Out the Vote. It pre-fills with some items you can delete if you'd like, but let's add some more. Let's ask for their phone number and whether or not they think money has a corrupting influence in politics. Just like when you create a form in the mobile app, you can customize it to your specific needs. Put both users on the team and assign the turf and form, but a team of just 2 people is pretty small. Here, let me import some users. Hit refresh and, the Avengers. They'll help us canvas. Hey, wait a minute, Thanos? No, let's deny his access. There, now you can see him at the bottom under denied access. And while we're at it, let's deny access to Hawkeye too. He's pretty useless compared to the rest of them anyway. Now assigning a few of them to our team, Black Panther, the Hulk, and Scarlet Witch. Okay, let's create a second team with the Crass Folk. That would be Deadpool, Iron Man, and I guess I can be a bit crass at times too. Finally, let's import some data to the system. And now you see the fields from the data file. We can assign the data of each field to a record type, address, city, state, zip. This screen needs some work, but I hope you get the idea. Now let's check the map. Here you see the House District 24 boundary on the map and the data we imported. Bringing it back to the mobile app, let's connect to the server again. The same server used in HelloVoter. And now we're in on the map. Pulling up the address form, we can see the options that were added via the HelloVoter interface. Looks like the app is still loading. There, the pins on the mobile app match what you saw in the browser. Now back in there, and we have one last thing we're working on, and that's data analytics. This will show you graphs based on your canvassing data and what specific questions you've been asking. There is lots of work left to be done here, but that's the gist of where we're headed. And that's what we got so far. Our mobile app has been live in the App Store nearly a year now, and work on the management interface is well underway. All of this code is free and open source, find links in the description. And please subscribe for future updates. I do a video whenever there's a new feature or product added. Have a good one.